Hello, I'm Mark from Mark Fixes Stuff, and welcome to my world of retro gaming and computing. I just love old consoles and computers that have seen better days. This channel is dedicated to trying to bring old technology back to its former glory. And I want to preserve our retro technology heritage for generations to come. But it looks like we're going to have to do it one console and one computer at a time. I'm not claiming to be an expert, oh no, we're going to be learning together. And hopefully along the way we'll pick up some hints and tips that will allow you to fix your own retro systems issues. I'm all about us sharing our knowledge and passion for the subject. So if you're a dyed-in-the-wool retro enthusiast, or simply want to punch your nostalgia buttons, then punch that subscribe button right now. Let's keep these machines running for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.